Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Troy from Bookseller Academy. I just wanted to give an update with our listing software. Added some features that you might like to see. So if we go to List FBA and go to List Products, go ahead and scan in a book. Let's set the default price to $8.99. Cost of goods. Let's put out 150. Quantity is 1. Condition note. Let's just make this good. So I have this book right here. It's U Unstuck. Just use my Bluetooth scanner to scan this in. So what's been added here is this is coming directly from the Amazon API. We're grabbing the rank. This 2% is actually from a Keepa category chart, which is right here. You could check that out. Lowest used buy box, lowest new buy box, just a used buy box, lowest used merchant fulfilled, the used FBA, new FBA, and what Amazon is selling it at. Right here, I've added something that you might be familiar with. Usually this is shown in some of the scanner apps that you might be using. This side has the used merchant fulfilled, the used FBA, new FBA, and the new merchant fulfilled. I have the image of the book right here, some other information, title, the condition that we scanned it at, if it's a book, and it is a book, and the paperback. This book is an actual paperback. So all this information is coming from the Amazon API. Hopefully, the reason why I put this in is so that way, one, we're planning to build out a scanner, not a scanner, a repricer. So we want to make sure that we are pulling this information so we can see what the price of the book as we scan it in, but also it's a final check to see if the book that we brought home still has value. And this is kind of like a final check, if you will, as far as making sure that we're not sending any bogus books. So this line right here is actually from the Keepa categories count. So what this is doing, I think there's roughly over 60 or 50 million books in Amazon. But we're just getting this information from the Keepa category chart, and we're taking the rank and what percentile it's actually what it calculates to for that percentile. And this bar right here is from 0 to 10%. So what I've done here is I made sure that we have some type of quick visual to show that this book rank falls within 10% of the entire the total items of that particular category. In this case, it is books. So this falls within range. It depends on what your business model is, but this is just a good indicator of what it is from a 0 to 10% range. This rank chart, you could see how we did this. We actually pulled in the data from the Keepa category list, and I think you've seen these charts before, but this is actually dynamic, and we're just pulling the data in. So it is updated at least once a day. We split up the percentages 1, 3, 5, 10%, 25%. And we went ahead and just pulled in all the categories, the main categories. We haven't gone down into the subcategory, although camera and photo is a subcategory of electronics, but we just wanted to see what the number of products for camera and photo. So from book standpoint, right now, Keepa states that there's 50 million products within Amazon. And that changes all the time, but at the time of this recording, this is what they state that they have. And so this 50 million rank, and we'll go back here and we'll list another product. Another book, this re-engineering yourself. Let's go ahead and put it at a default price of $8.99. $1.50 for the cost of goods, quantity 1, and we're gonna go ahead and just make this a good book for now. Let's go ahead and scan this in and see what happens. So this is pulling at a 3 million rank, but you can see here that it still fits in within the 10% threshold, but it's getting up there. It's a little high. It's about 6% from the 50 million products that's out there. Low buy box 26. Amazon is not selling anytime. You see Amazon that is 0. There is no new FBA products from what I can see, or what from the API can see. Used FBA price, it's $20.63, and yeah, so the next steps that we're going to put in here is we're going to actually calculate the profit. So on the next video, when I build it out, we'll have the actual profit, so that way this is also just a final check to make sure that the books that you are submitting is actually profitable, because the prices do change at the current time. So this is a snapshot in time, so just be aware of that. This rank could be 300,000 tomorrow, or you know, could continue rising. But hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you like the updates on this, and if you have any questions, just go ahead and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.